Hello my friends at Saska channel. How you doing guys? Here we are in confinement, but I'm going to go out tomorrow for a ride. Just a simple ride around the block, just to make this baby run a little bit. And as you can see, I have my mask. I'm legal. I'm not gonna do anything wrong. So please beware. Be careful with yourselves. Take care. This virus is quite dangerous. So take care. Always wear a mask, gloves if you can. Protect yourself. Have a bottle with alcohol or disinfectant solution, and always take care of yourself. So the purpose of this video is I need to maintain this bike a little bit. I'm just gonna degrease and grease it again. The chain is a little dry. I just want to make sure it runs well tomorrow. So last time I posted a video last time where I have this little device that you put at the back of the wheel, and then the bike raises up a little bit and then you turn the wheels. That's a little uncomfortable, so I found another solution. Some guys posted an idea in YouTube, so I'm just gonna follow that. I'm gonna show you how I did it, how I'm gonna do it, and see if that works or not. So let's go for it and enjoy. Guys, so these are the tools that we're gonna need. You got the screw jack, normal jack to lift the car to change the wheels. Mine came up with this tool over here, or this huge screw. I guess it's to tow the car. So anyway, I'm just gonna use it. I think it's gonna becoming handy for our purpose. And the other thing you need to have is a piece of wood, a piece of plastic, or a stool. It's like a little stool to raise up your bicycle a little bit. It's gonna go in your bicycle leg over there, as you can see. If you remember my last video where I cleaned the chain, I used this little device here with two rollers here, and you lift the bike on top of the rollers, and then you roll the bike, right? You move not the bike but the wheel. It was a little uncomfortable, very hard to do, because of course the whole weight of the bike was leaning on those rollers. Actually I was able to do it, but it was very uncomfortable. So I'm gonna try this trick, see if it works. All right. Okay guys, so this is the first step. We're gonna place that this stool, this plastic piece or wooden piece that you got underneath the bicycle leg here. So the bicycle doesn't lean so far to the left, so you straighten up the bike. As you can see, I don't know if you can actually see it, it's more straightened up, so it's easier to put the screw jack on the other side. All right, so that's the first thing we're gonna do. All right guys, so as you can see, this is the back of the motorcycle. Obviously we have a big nut here. I have this big screw, as I said. I think this is screw, you plug it in, you screw it in the car, so when somebody needs to tow you. So it's pretty sturdy, pretty strong. So luckily the threads, they fit a little bit here, so I can put it here, and as you can see, it holds up pretty well. So I can place the screw jack underneath it and have a good tensing position. Okay. All right, so we have the screw jack, we have this huge screw in here, so we place the screw underneath it and raise it up. Okay, always careful, always have to be careful and safe. So do not run, don't do things quickly, just slowly until everything is secure. Let's see, now as you can see, the jack is raising the motorcycle, so you just keep doing it a little bit more. At this moment you have to be careful. I don't see now the screw is pretty tense in there. It's holding the bicycle, the motorcycle. So we're gonna raise it up a little bit. Do not put your hands underneath that. The bicycle might fall and catch your fingers and your hands. Stay away from the bike because it might lean to the left and then fall and damage yourself. All right, so I believe that is pretty good. And see what happens. Look at that. You can turn your wheel easily. So it's easy to clean up your chain this way. Okay, as I showed you in the last video how to clean the chain. You have to remove this plastic piece that covers the chain, and then just degrease it and grease it. And it's easy to do because you just move a little bit, you grease, just move another bit and just grease and grease. It's easy. See, effortless. So not too much effort, not too much hard work. Great, fantastic. Now when we finish, when we are working, we'll always be careful. This jack, you know, working with jacks are not the most secure thing in the world, so be careful with that. Okay, now when we finish, we lower the bike carefully as always. We don't put the hands anywhere. All right, and just lower the jack. So we lower the motorcycle to a safe place. All right. Okay, so see, we got it. Make sure that the screw doesn't fall. There you go. And here we are, we're done. All right. What do you think about the trick? Pretty neat, huh? So there's a lot of people, smart people out there that show you things, and we have to test it and try it and make sure it works. All right. Now I'm gonna show you the second trick. So the second trick I was going to show you is not a trick, it's another way to do it. If you have this big screw or a metal rod you can place in there and use it as a leverage, what you can do is place the screw-in jack here underneath the bar, underneath the chassis, this bar over here. Make sure you don't pinch any cables or anything like that. It's pretty secure, so you have a good base to place the jack and raise it. So I just did it here, just place it here. I think it's pretty secure. Make sure also there's some space between the jack and the wheel so you can turn it later on. So the thing is, you start going up, you know, make sure you raise it up and lift it carefully, okay, because maybe you don't place the jack properly, it slips and the bike might fall. You might have some issues, so be careful when you lift it. Make sure verify that the jack is placed properly and is raising the bike in a safe way. Okay, so you can see I go up slowly. Seems like it's raising the motorcycle. Okay, now he's gonna stop here and see what happens. Look at that. I can turn my tire as well, my wheel and everything else. So look, I can actually clean my chain in the right way. Easy. Okay, so that's a nice way to do it. Okay, another trick, another way to lift your bike, putting the jack underneath this bar. All right, so great. So 2 ways to do it. Now I'm gonna lower the bicycle. Okay, slowly always. Is it going down? Yes, it's going down. Okay, looks like it's going down, and there you go. And then it's all done and dandy, and then you're done. So that's what you got. Screw-in jack. You don't need a hydraulic jack or anything like that. Big screw here or metal rod you can place in there, and if you don't have one, just place the jack here underneath this bar, so you have plenty of place, base to use it as a leverage. and then just lift it, and just lift it enough so you can turn the wheel, and you have a nice way to clean your chain. All right, hopefully you like that. It's a simple thing to do, so let's go for it. You will save some money if you do it yourself, and you'll have some fun, and you will learn. All right, see you next time. All right, my friends, so this is the end. Hopefully you liked the video, and hopefully you've learned how to raise up your bike with a screw jack to be able to clean your chain of your motorcycle in a safe way and an easy way. And I'll see you next time in this channel, in Tasca channel. See you guys.